Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender preferences on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your phone number or your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different profiles that you can swipe right or left on. Now, if you wish to change your gender preferences for the profiles that you see, then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner within the people section, and this will open up the filters. Now, underneath basic filter, you will be able to see the who would you like to date section. You can simply tap on this option and then choose from the various different genders that are available. After choosing your preferred gender, you can go back and choose your age preferences as well. And finally, tap on the apply button to apply your preferences onto the application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the gender preferences within the Bumble dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.